Today I want to share with you my Mr. Heater bug out camping kit and how it all fits in this box, minus that big propane tank over there.
You just got to get prepared.
The contents of this kit are very simple. Basically, there's the Mr. Heater along with the carbon monoxide tester that we keep on the back there, and the fuel bottles. The fuel bottles, in this box, I'm able to get 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 bottles, plus I keep 2 more, or 1 on each side, not attached, but just inside of this container. I'm able to store another one there and another one on this side. So that's a total of 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bottles that I'm able to store in this kit to go with me. 2 of the bottles that I bring along with me are these refillable bottles by Flame King. And I also have a refillable valve so that if I'm only able to use these, I can refill this from a larger tank. And these 2 bottles are both the refillable variety, as long as you have one of these little adapters. The hose and filter here I have in case I'm able to use a larger tank. I want to be able to have the right connections to be able to hook that tank up to this heater if that's an option. Let me show you how I get all of this stuff, minus the big bottle, into the tote. All right, the first thing to go in is the Mr. Heater. And I like to place it upside down because it seems to sit better that way. And then we just start stacking the bottles into the tote. I also like to keep the adapters and hoses in a bag so that they stay clean and out of the elements. Set that right there on top and put the lid on. And that's it. Now I can keep this box on a shelf and ready to go either on a camping trip or if I need it in a bug out situation. I hope that this helps you in your emergency preparations. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.